thing that really attracted us to Signature Homes at the start of the building project was the consultant we met was so friendly from the outset. He was genuinely interested in what we had planned.
In the beginning, you can get really overwhelmed with how many options are out there, and Signature stood out as making a real genuine connection early on. They were authentic. And I think also you do a lot of homework, and all the work we had seen from Signature was outstanding. So we knew we would end up with something quite spectacular at the end.
The sales team was really neat. They were willing to go above and beyond to try and get anything fixed that needed fixing. For example, the brick in our house, when we found that we didn't have enough brick, they went out of their way to try and source those, and they did.
Yeah, we thought it was quite special that when we're trying to solve a problem, the team was willing to make a personal sacrifice to get this on track. We met really genuine people who wanted to build a relationship, not just build us a house and move on.
What I loved is the trades and subcontractors were always so welcoming and willing to show us what they'd done through the house and where they were up to and what was coming next.
We found the service of the suppliers with Signature to be really friendly and personable. It was a real relief to have folks who would bring their expertise to the table and say, hey, have you thought about this? Because you don't know what you don't know, and so many times we were learning as we went. So yeah, for us, the service we got from all of those people was fantastic and absolutely made it feel like it was a big team effort all the way through the process.
And that was really important to us, to be able to trust the people that were going to build our dream. The favourite elements of the house for me would have to be the way that we've brought the outside inside.
The bush and the natural environment is so important. I was really impressed with what's normally talked about as such a stressful experience, that we got to the end of our build without really any sense of stress.
It was just fantastic. We have become the biggest advocates for Signature Home, and in particular the team that we dealt with, because it was just so easy and so friendly.
We would absolutely recommend Signature Homes to other people wanting to build. It's just been such a great experience for us.